Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that a lot of people ask me about, how I set up my audio for my live streams, my podcasts, or content creation. Most of you guys know I use a very professional microphone and an audio interface, and I understand sometimes those can be a little bit on the pricier side. I have a product that might be exactly what you guys are looking for. We're going to take a look at this Airgoo audio interface and some of the features that this brings to the table. And hopefully this will be exactly what you're looking for to get started on your journey to content creation. Because remember guys, audio is number one, then lighting, then video. All right, guys, let's get into this box. It does come with an instruction manual, which will walk you through connections for all of your different devices, from your computer to your phone, headphones, instruments, microphones, all of that kind of stuff right here in this manual. You also will receive this USB-C to USB-A cable, and you receive a USB-C to Lightning with an adapter also for USB-C. That comes in really nice because if you want to be able to connect this, say, to an iPhone, the newer versions are going to use USB-C. The older versions will use Lightning, but you do have a way to connect to that as well. Also inside of our box is the actual interface itself, as you guys can see here. Let's take a look at it from the back first. So here on the back, you guys can see that we have an option here for connecting to a PC or a Mac. We can also connect this to a phone or a tablet. We can use monitor speakers. We can connect this to headphones, auxiliary. We have another headphone input right here. This is going to be more for talking. You also have your TRS plug here, and let me show you guys what that looks like. That's going to be one of these type of plugs that you would use like for an instrument. That would just plug in right here. And then you also have your XLR. So if you're connecting this to a traditional microphone, you'll be able to plug this guy in here as well. That's just going to plug in like so. And then you can have your, traditional desktop style microphone connected to this. Now, to power this guy, you do have to connect this to a device. That's going to be like your computer or whatever it is. And then once it's connected to that, that's where it's going to receive its power from. So let's power this guy up. Okay, guys, once you have your interface connected to your Mac or PC, there's a power button right here in the back. You're just going to press that to turn it on. And then once this guy lights up, you guys will see all of our little lights will light up here. We also have our faders. You have a fader here for as your microphones. You have faders for all of the different devices. You'll be able to adjust those as you need to. You guys should be able to see. Let me see if I can show you here. The video effect of using these, and it's picking up audio from the mic right here. You also have some buttons down here. You have your 48 phantom power if you need that. You have a reverb. You also have this voice changing effect, loop back, noise reduction that you can turn on or off, and then you have these 3 sound pads that you can program for different effects. And along the top here, you also have some knobs that you can adjust the volume coming in from your TRS. Let's say that's going to be for your instrument if you're playing an instrument. Headphones right here. You guys see that monitoring right here for the headphones, as well as your bass, mids, treble, reverb, changing voice. That's going to be controlled right here. And also your sound pad volume, you'll be able to control that from here. Now on the front of the device, there's nothing. On the sides, it's pretty much the same. Underneath, you do have these nice little rubberized little feet to prevent it from sliding around the desk. Like I said, from the back is where all the business is going to happen. So you're going to be able to plug everything in back here. You're going to be able to mute music. If you have, a phone or another device connected that you're using for audio, you can turn that audio on and off. You have your reverb feature here. That's going to kind of give you that echoey sound, like in a big open hall or something like that. You have that. Voice changing. You have this effect that you can, play with, and be able to create different type of voice effects. I use them in my live streams all the time. And like I said, this is a very compact little unit. It'll fit perfectly on your desk, and it's not going to take up a lot of space, and you'll be able to easily reach over just like a little small keyboard and switch things on. But a lot of the features, guys, once you have them turned on, you probably won't have to adjust them. You just kind of roll with it. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I wanted to show you guys this little Airgoo audio interface and some of the cool features that it does bring to the table. So if you're looking for a starter audio interface, this could be exactly what you're looking for. So definitely give this guy a look. Yeah, I think this is a good starting point. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.